Listener, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today, we will make, okay, before that, I will introduce myself first. Okay, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Ahmad Zhofran, Ahmad Zhofran, and today, I will make poster, the theme is, no, the theme, uh, the theme is, dakwah poster, yeah, so, I'll make it in Figma, and the first thing, when you open the Figma in file or in application version or web website version, you must do registration first, or you can log in with your Gmail account. And after you log in, uh, you have to uh, yeah after login after login or creating account, yeah, uh, you'll find this one big table, but this is not new account, but it's, yeah, it's my account. And the first thing, if you want to make poster, you can create new design file, no new fig jump file or anything, just create new design file. After that, you can press F to use some tools. There is frame. You can use anything like Instagram post, Facebook cover. There's a paper too, paper, watch, or, yeah, watch, presentation, desktop, tablet, and phone. There are so many type. Okay, so in this tutorial, I make it by Instagram post. You know Instagram, yeah, this is Instagram post. I'll make the cursor in here, in this frame. Okay, the first thing, uh, if you wanna create some poster, the poster, you must use the color. Okay, okay. In this the poster, I'll use this one, yeah, a blue and a little bit purple, like this. Yeah, it look nice, but okay. In here, I'll use stroke, not inside, but central, but outside. That is why. Correct this. So, um, so today, so, before this, we can search any name that we wanna create. Some dark poster. So, in this day, I will make poster. The title is, um, that is life on Earth. It's very short. Like, uh, you can use your fingers and, the ocean water. Yeah, you just touch ocean water on anything like ocean or underwater, like that. And, you know, uh, okay, the descent of the your fingers and oceans, like this. If you touch the water, it's like that. If you're if if you're alive in Earth and not in, yeah, not in hereafter. Yeah. Okay. Like the title. Wait. I will font is you can use any font. Yeah. Up to you. You can use any font. Okay. I guess this select. Yeah. And no. 18. Not 18. No, not this one. Yeah. In here you can use any font that on your desktop like this. Okay. Maybe I will use Jua for that for the title. Yeah. Jua. Yes. And okay, yellow color. Because this tutorial, I make the tutorial how to make poster. Sim- Simple poster. Then that's why if I make poster, it's need one day. And this and in this poster, I just make it on 15 minutes. Maybe. Yeah, I know. Not to search the asset like Earth because the damage about Earth. That's why I use Earth because yeah, you know. Okay, after this, just go to the file. No download. No. Okay. Okay. I will skip for the asset because it's take too long. Okay, back. I have the asset. The asset. There's that's what you need. It's a PNG file. Like this. Okay, I'll post it for search some hadith. Yeah. Okay, I have the ayah of um, the title of our master. That web or art is very short. Yeah. You know, that is first first 53. Yeah, 53. First 32. This makes imagine if you're reading so I don't know. Ah, if you're reading the meaning is either is an image you can read it because you know there are so many there is so many I have one there is the title is about Earth our Earth and hereafter. Yeah, maybe this is one of the they found. There's Al-An'am, verse 32. Maybe it's not the composer, but like motivation or just a reminder of ours that uh, we're just life on Earth is very short. Like before our generation, there is before our Prophet Muhammad SAW, there is yeah so many prophet in there, prophet and Rasul. In the first prophet, Rasul, there is Adam alayhi salam. Adam alayhi salam, Adam salam, uh, is the first prophet and the first human. That is, as he's the first human in the world, you know, and German or German theory, there is uh, humans. Before humans, there's ape, or yeah, there's ape. Yeah, okay, okay, maybe that's all for our poster. Yeah, it's too simple, but it's okay. But the meaning, we just need the meaning. That okay. Maybe that's all for me. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.